Okay guys, this is us. We are having this sign that says, shut up, honk for me please, and we're saying how many people honked so far. 2 have passed and 2 have honked.
Yeah.
So everyone has honked so far, and we're gonna see who else does it.
To be the buzzkill.
Yeah, no, this is some old lady. Thanks, bitch! Alright, come on, read the sign, read the sign, read the sign. Are you gonna do it? Nope,
Oh,
nope.
you know what?
Nope, no one's doing it on the video!
You got that like earlier because
It takes them a minute, huh? So no folks are like our fucking life. Dying Imani over here. Hold the sign up.
Oh,
No asshole.
There's more coming. There's more coming.
Ah. Oh, there's more coming from each way. He's like trying to read it. Thank you.
Oh, buzzkill.
No, all right. We're gonna like get called for harassment of the streets.
Can you really?
I don't know if that's a thing.
Serving the peace. God damn it.
You're embarrassing. If Aunt Pat knew we were doing this, her mom would not let us do this.
Oh.
Free hugs. Ew, what the fuck? Hold up the sign. Hold up the sign. Nope. Nope, bitch.
What did you do?
Yeah, she was.
She was trying to wear the window glass.
No, I don't think so. Read the sign, read the sign, read the sign, read the sign. Nope. She drove on the other fucking side.
That guy couldn't see. I think he was trying.
I don't think he did.
They're all
Hello.
Somebody love this.
Hello. We are out here honking, making strangers honk.
Honk, honk.
The sign just should have said honk. It would have been easier. They could read it quick. No one's fucking reading it.
We're talking to you!
Oh, you're too fucking loud, Imani.
I'm sorry. Did we stop counting?
We stopped counting. We can start
think it was
counting.
4.
We could count again. It's right here. 2-minute video. Hey.
Free honks. $1 goes to
We should. It'll be like an hour, but we should. I still have an 8-minute video of me doing the cup song on my phone. That's going to interfere with this because it ain't going to record much. You're going to get hit. No! Mariah, they're missing all the fun.
They're probably like having sex right now.
They probably. He was in there talking to my Aunt Pat. I don't know what they were talking about, but I just kind of like walked right past them to get the marker. That was not too loud. Nah, bitch, nah.
The guys that are honking.
I know, right? Because guys
That's perverted.
are like goody goody. I know a goody goody. A really goody goody. I know. Where's that car?
Get out of here. Thank you. They didn't do it. That guy. Read our sign, asshole. Come on, red car. 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 Bitch, no. Bitch, no. Bitch, no.
We should have a lemonade stand.
We should, but I don't know no fucking lemonade.
Did you see her face?
She nodded. Fucking truckers! You're gonna get hit. Get a little bit on the fucking.
He actually. Oh, he did it! For us.
Hey, is it his dude?
No, it's a girl.
Oh, okay.
Chinese lady. Chinese people are so easy to freaking. They're so gullible.
Nah, Monty, don't say that on video.
I know. I am Chinese. There's a
Ching chong. She can't.
Why is that the girls are not doing it?
This is. I'm done with this video. We can do this on our own. Say bye. I don't know if I'm gonna put this on YouTube or not, but bye. Bye. Peace out, everyone. This was Autumn. Like, subscribe, everything else like that. I don't even know if I'm posting this, but probably. I don't fucking. Let's see. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.